Google has released a Pomelli feature called Photoshoot to generate marketing and product images for your marketing campaigns. Once you input your website, it'll pick up your business DNA and assets, including images that you can use to generate for Photoshoot. Or you can upload your own images. Go to Photoshoot in the left navigation and you'll have two options. One, to create a product photoshoot with images existing in Pomelli, or you can generate or edit new images. We'll go with the first one, and here we'll select our product image that we'll choose from our photo gallery here. We'll just choose this right here, click on looks good. In the bottom right corner, select the resolution, and it'll generate some suggestions for photoshoot templates. You can click on this icon, the writing utensil, to select different templates. They have different categories here for general, fashion, consumables, and home. Once you have the templates that you want, go to the bottom right corner, click on looks good, and click on create photoshoot in the bottom right corner again. Once the images generate, you can save them to your business DNA, download them, or remove any that you don't want. Hover over an image to edit it, and that's what we'll do with this one. We'll just ask it to tilt the bottle, click on this icon to apply the edits. This looks good. If you haven't saved your images, don't click on this X because it'll take you out of your photo shoot. So click on this arrow to go back, and we'll add all of these to our business DNA down here. From here, you can also create a campaign. We'll ask Pomelli to create a campaign about boosting confidence by using the fragrance. You can add a product URL here, choose your resolution, and then generate ideas. These are only ideas that the AI generated, not the actual campaign. So click on them if you want Pomelli to generate the actual campaigns. You can go back to campaigns if you want to generate another campaign at the same time. We'll remove this one by hovering over it, clicking on the trash can icon. If you want to stop any of these ideas, if you change your mind about them, just click on the three dots and delete the campaign. Click into the campaign to view what Pomelli's produced. Hover over a creative, click on the three dots. You can duplicate the image or change the resolution, download it, delete it. If you click into the creative, you can fix the layout, edit the image, edit the creative, edit the header, change the font, change the description, the call to action, etc. For example, I changed the font and the formatting of the text. I can further improve the layout so that the subject is more prominent. If I want to see the version history, I'll just click on the arrows to compare the images. For the second option, you can prompt Pomelli to generate images or add images to edit them and generate variations, which is what we'll do. And while that happens, here's some of the other images that it generated for me by uploading this image as the base, and it created some of these other product images that I can use in a campaign. And we'll go back to see our results. Here are the other images that it generated. You can further edit the image in this prompt area. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.